Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Let us share a very interesting video with you all today. The people that are watching this video may have lemons in their garden. And there are some species of lemon plants that give fruits all year long. Like we have 2 plants of this species of lemon plant in our garden. And do you know it fruits all year long? We usually collect the lemons and store them for later use. How do you all store your lemons? My mom has 2 to 3 types of storing lemons, but the best one is that squeezing the lemons and storing their juice. But now what should we do with the lemon peels? What do you do with the peels after you have done storing them? My mom usually dries the lemon peels, then grinds them and then uses them for a face pack. But what does she do with the other lemon peels? First thing she does is that she will cut them in very small pieces. For this, you will need an empty bottle. If you have a bottle that can hold 2 liters of water, it will be the best. But if you have a bottle that can only hold 1 liter of water, that will be also fine. In this case, my mom is using a 2-liter bottle. In this, take 1 liter of tap water. But keep in mind that that is not chlorinated water. Then add approximately 300 grams of this lemon peel. I am pretty sure you all have guessed what we are making by now. Now simply add 100 grams of jaggery to this solution. Then as you can see in the video, make sure to shake it well. Again, keep in mind that although this is a 2-liter bottle, only fill up to 1 liter of water. The rest of the space will be empty. Now see why it is empty. This is a bioenzyme that we made 1 month ago using orange peels. To create any kind of bioenzyme, we need about 90 days. For the first 7 days, you simply have to loosen the cap and release the gas. Next, you only have to do it weekly. After 1 month, you can release the gas after 15 days. And in the last month, you just have to release it once. We released the gas 2 days ago from this bottle, but can you see how much gas got released today? This is the second lemon peel bioenzyme bottle. But now you all must be wondering, what should we do with this much bioenzyme? This is actually containing good bacteria. So if you use this for cleaning the house or doing the laundry or washing the dishes, it will help you a lot. And not only that, after buying any kind of vegetable or fruits from the market, you can wash it with this solution. Only use 5 ml for 1 liter of water. After 3 months, you can stain it and use it forever. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.